All right, 15-minute high-intensity interval workout with Lara in the background doing some noises. For now, I want that you hop on your bicycle, start pedaling. We're gonna do 2 minutes of warm-up, right? After that, pretty straightforward. 13 rounds of 20 seconds, super high intensity. So whenever the 20 seconds are on, I want that you increase resistance and just go as hard as you can for 20 seconds. And then we're gonna do 40 seconds of rest, in which you want to take it easy, in which you want to pedal constantly, but with pretty low resistance, just like that. I can easily talk to you. I can sing a song to Lara's noise, but when I go for the 20 seconds, I need to explain something here. When I go for the 20 seconds, in about 60 seconds, then it's go time. Then I won't be able to talk. And the goal is really to give it your all, right? Sweating is allowed. So 45 seconds. Then we're gonna go for the first interval. Stop! Do some music. I prefer some music. Can you sing something? All right. Now, in about 25 seconds, we're gonna get started. So, now, slowly increase resistance. All right? More. And now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. 20 seconds, all in. Go. As heavy as you can. Five. And go back. All right, first interval. Take it easy. Super low resistance. Rest. Hold on. Now you have a feeling where to put the resistance. When this was now easy and you're not breathing heavily like I do, then increase the resistance next time. If you're like me, already breathing heavily after one interval, then I think you found the right resistance. So again, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Go. 5, 4, 3, and easy. Okay, Lara, I think it's enough. Take it easy. 2, we're already done. Take it easy. I prefer when you sing something, a song. Like, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Go. Okay, rest. So as you can see, the intervals are short, very short, 20 seconds. So to make it effective, you really have to go hard, right? Because if you don't go all in, then not doing anything. then that's too easy. So easy, 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 recovery. In 10 seconds, starts a new interval. 5, 4, 3, and go. Go, 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 go. 3, and take it easy. Cannot talk anymore. All right, get ready. We're gonna go on in 5, move past faster, 2, 1, and go. Heavy resistance, go, 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 go. Two. And take it easy, rest. Whew. I'm sweating. If you're sweating as well, you're doing it right. If you're not sweaty yet, go harder, go faster. So again, in this recovery phases, take it easy, super easy, lowest resistance. And now, in about 5, 4, 3, and go, and go, and go. 2, 1. That's tough. So it's a Pokemon song, isn't it? All right, halfway there. Already half time. Already half time. Okay, 10, 9, get ready. 2, 1, and go. Five. Lara, and break. Har du vattenflaska bitte? Har du vattenflaska? Please. Please. Don't forget to drink some water. Yeah, you too. For me as well. Thank you. Okay. 7, 6, yeah. 5, 4, 3, and go. Not yet. No. 7, 6, 5, 4. And recovery. We have 4 more to go. 4 or 5 actually. Soon. Then I'm gonna play with you. No, don't press stop, please.
I never even know how to press stop.
I know, but he wanted to. Afterwards, we're gonna play Pokemon again. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win the Pokemon fight because I'm training hard. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
How many did you get?
I did. After 6.
How many?
Wait.
How many?
Wait.
How many? How many? How many?
1 and take it easy. We did 9.
9 times to the 9.
Just 3 more to go. You can do them here. You want to do one? I let you one. I do 2 and you 1. No?
I want 3.
3.
9. I want 9. 9 times to go.
And in German? Lean. Wait. This is my turn here. Look. Says Martin. Wait. 5, 4. Stop. 2. You can do after this one. Okay? Okay, come. 3, 2, 1. Your turn. Go on. Oh, jeez. Okay. Wait. Let's see. You guys, keep going. I think you need to stand. Try. In 20 seconds. Dufta. Musst dufta. 12, 11, ready, 10, musst dufta. Start dufta. In 5 seconds, all in. Now, go. 3, 2, 1. Go. Go, Lara. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, to dufta. 5, salute. 1, 2, 1, recovery. Okay, we have one more.
9.
Step on here without sitting. Put here, yeah, like this. Now hold here. 30 seconds rest. Like this. Can you do this? Try now. Okay, 30 seconds of rest here. Keep pedaling. Right, so in about 20 seconds, you go all in as fast as you can. Okay?
9.
Wait, 15 seconds.
I'm not gonna go as fast as I can.
Just like half as fast, right? Okay, 10, are you ready? Okay, ready, get ready. Warte, 5, 4, and now go. Up and go. Go. Go, Lara. Go. Now, go. Go, Lara. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Whew, was it intense? That. All right, you guys keep paddling. We're doing here a little, it was heavy, right? It's just a cool down. Little cool down here. That was literally it. We did like 12 rounds and these intervals. I did 11, no, we did 2, I did 9. But I'm sweaty, I'm super sweaty. So now that's an indicator, I would say. If you're sweaty as well like me, you did well. If you're not sweaty, then next time just go harder, right? Go harder. Like with these intervals, you can even track now your progress because like it will always be the same. It's like 40 seconds of rest and then 20 seconds of all in. So you can see at the end how many kilometers you did and then compare. You can also check your heart rate, how this improves with time. There are several ways, but most important, you did it. Also important, you gave it your all. And with that being said, we're gonna play some Pokemon now. That's it for today, Pokemon cards. Do you want to say something, Coach Lauda? I have one more thing. What are we trying to do? Not sleep, no. We're trying to become stronger than yesterday. That's the goal. Physically, mentally, every single day. That's the goal.
No, we're trying to sleep.
That's the mission.
Stop talking here because who wants to sleep, wants to sleep. You don't need to be talking to want to sleep.
And now we need to recover.
No, we want to sleep.
We're out. See you in the next one.
We're